Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Stock Martin channel. We have some very important news for you if you are a Lucid investor or you're looking into the Lucid stock, because it has been announced that its earnings report, its earnings call, will be on February 28th, 2022. That will give us very big insights into the company, its productions, how its deliveries are going, and also future revenue coming up, which will make this either stock a make it or break it point. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get my latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to share this page with others so we can continue to grow this channel. Take advantage of that free stock down below using my link to Moomoo. You can get a free Lucid stock just by opening an account, and you have to put in at least $100 or more. But not only this, you also get a chance to get $17,500 in free stocks. Stay at the end of this video so I can show you how. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk about this very big news that did just come out about Lucid Motors and its stock. So mark your calendars for February 28th, 2022. That will be its earnings report. Now, Lucid will also have a question and answer session in that earnings call that you can actually post as an investor for Lucid Motors. So if you have any questions, I'll post it down below. It's through Say Technologies. You can go in there, post a question. Lucid will compile all the questions, review them, and then pick out probably the top best ones to address with investors' calls. So definitely take advantage of that, especially if you are a Lucid investor, so you can get your questions answered. Now, what are analysts expecting from Lucid Motors in Q4 of 2021? They are estimating that the revenue should be about $36.7 million in that quarter. That is the expected revenue of this company. Also, they are expecting that its EPS, its earnings per share, should be negative 35 cents, which means that profitability is very key for this company. We have seen those deliveries start and the production start of the Lucid Air Dream in October 30th. How much money did they receive? How much money, how many vehicles did they produce, and how many did they sell? Also, very big important information that this earnings call will give us is how many vehicles have been delivered. As we know, Lucid did try to strive to produce 520 Lucid Air Dream vehicles just in the year 2021. Now, did they hit these production numbers? That will be a very big important part. Also, I am looking to see how many reservations does Lucid have. Remember that Lucid did open up its reservations most recently to Canada, but now they have opened it up to the world. There's 18 countries around the world, including the United States, that can now reserve the Lucid Air vehicles. There's 4 different trims, but right now the reservation numbers will be key. What is the demand of this company? Also, very important to know is how is their production going? How many vehicles are they producing per day, per week? That will be a very important part. I did just make a phone call to Lucid Motors, and I did want to share that with you. I did talk to one of their representatives. They have confirmed that Lucid is working on the Grand Touring, that they are delivering these vehicles right now, and that the Touring model will begin next quarter. So that is very reassuring news that we are heading in the right direction. I did also get from the Lucid representative that production of the Lucid Air Pure, which is the most basic version of the Lucid Air sedan, which is on sale for about $77,000. This is before any federal tax incentives, will be starting production and deliveries the second half of the year 2022. So just in the next few months, possibly around July or so. So very big important things I did learn from my Lucid representative that I have been in communications with. Now, the 13F filing reports did come out with Lucid Motors. We do now know very big companies that have been buying Lucid Motors into their shares. I did just want to share this with you. This is from Investor Place, and this does talk about the institutional investors, and they are betting big on the LCID stock based on the Q4 13F filings that I have been mentioning. That does tell us all the companies that are investing in Lucid. You can see Vanguard is the #1 purchaser of Lucid. They bought 28.3 million shares. They own about 1.7% ownership of Lucid Motors. But look at this. You also have BlackRock picked up 12.6 million shares. Franklin Resources picked up 8.6 million shares. Good Capital Management picked up 5.8 million shares. And ProShare Advisors picked up 2.7 million shares of this stock. In addition to this, we do know that the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, purchased about 626,000 shares around September 30th, 2021. He has actually increased his position in Lucid Motors. Also, we do have that very good news that the CEO himself is purchasing and buying into this company. That is a very good sign that the management is very strong. Lucid Motors also, in my opinion, has the best technology. With the management, technology, and the good product, I believe that this company will do very, very good. In addition to these big investors that are now investing in Lucid Motors and they have added shares, I also did want to share with you that we do now know the 13F filings of the public investment from Saudi Arabia. Now we do have that question answered. They did not sell any of their Lucid shares on that public investment lockup expiration date. That was January 19th of this year, 2022. We did have a lot of speculation. People were saying, some people, that Saudi Arabia is going to sell everything and get out. Some people were saying, that they're not going to do anything. Now we know 100% they did not sell. The Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund did not sell any of their Lucid shares. They have held them. They have held a big portion of this stock. They own right now about roughly 62% of Lucid stock as a whole. But what we did find out is something very important, that they actually did sell $80 billion of their oil stake, and they did put it in that state fund. So in my opinion and the opinion of this article, the Public Investment Fund for Saudi Arabia knows that electric renewable energy is the future. It is going to be the future of the planet. And it is also going to be very important in the electric vehicle market, as I do think that we are in that EV revolution. We're at the very, very beginning of this. We are starting to get huge competition in the EV market, and I definitely think we are going that direction. But that is very, very good news. Just I did want to share with you. Now let's take a look at the Lucid stock just to see how it's been doing. Lucid has had a wonderful day today, up 5.2%, trading at $28.87. We are getting close to testing that resistance of $30. Are we going to go past that? We'll definitely have to see. In the past 5 days, we are actually up now 3.5%, but it has been a pretty tough Monday on February 14th, where we dropped all the way to $25.81 was its low. For the very first time, we actually broke and went below that stabilization point of $26 that we have been seeing in the stock for about 1 month now. But we did quite a bit pop up very nicely, going up almost 11.8% from its low on February 14th in the morning until right now. So very nice increase in this stock. Will this continue? We'll definitely have to monitor. But again, I do think that earnings call is going to be very big. I do think that what Lucid Motors is going to do, it's going to reassure investors. It's going to tell investors how the production is going, how many reservations they have. I do definitely think that they are also going to be talking about future projects. That are going to be talking about how is the building facility going in the Arizona plant. Remember, they have allocated quite a bit of money to update and to enlarge the building in Arizona to about 2.8 million square feet to make additional Lucid Air vehicles. Not only this, they are going to be making the Project Gravity. It's going to be its first SUV, luxury SUV vehicle. I definitely think that's going to be very big news to hear as well. And we'll most importantly have to hear the EPS, the earnings per share, and did they hit that revenue mark analysts are expecting? If they did hit all this, I do suspect that this stock will shoot up, and it will shoot up very, very nicely. But again, we'll have to take a look, and this will know very, very soon how and what will happen very soon. Now, in the past 1 month, we are still down 26, almost 27%. We have had that resistance in the last 1 month of $40. If we go back at the beginning of January, we actually had a high of $45, which we tested a couple of times. I definitely think that if we get a very nice earnings report, we could retest that very shortly, that $45 mark. But I am just taking baby steps and taking a look at this. The next resistance point to break through is $30. After that, we will hit $35 will be the next resistance point to go from there. But this stock moves very good, very fast on very good news. Last thing I did want to show you before I let you go, this is from Say Technologies. I'll link the link below. This is the website where you can go for the Lucid Group Q4 2021 earnings question and answer session. This will be available to you until February 27th at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something new. Please give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. It'll really help with that YouTube algorithm so other people can see my videos. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. Most importantly, get a free Lucid stock using my link down below to Moomoo. Deposit $100. You will get an extra Lucid stock, but in addition to this, Moomoo will give you up to 5 free stocks. So take advantage of these huge opportunities. Most importantly, thank you for watching, for supporting the channel, for all your prayers. As you know, my mom is in the hospital. She is a cancer patient, but she's very, very sick, very ill right now. So Mom, if you're watching this, I love you. We are praying for you. We want you home as soon as possible. But again, thanks for everybody's support. I really greatly appreciate that. And have a great week. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.